In this video, we are going to talk about how you can register a free domain for your WordPress website. So if you are a beginner and want to start up your WordPress website and you want to save some money on booking a domain, or maybe if you are a student and you just want to learn how these things work and how you can play around with the hosting and your WordPress setup, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So today we are going to talk about how you can get a free domain for hosting your website, maybe on WordPress or maybe any static website. So there are many ways by which you can get a free domain. And the number one, and which is most popular during these days, is by booking a domain from websites like Freenom or .tk. So domain extensions like .tk, they are available for free, and there are many hosting service providers and domain registrars that provide this domain extension for free of cost. But the problem is, have you ever seen any website ranking on Google search results which got a .tk domain? And the answer is very clear, none. So it is very clear that this domain extension is definitely free. You can get it from various domain registrar websites, but these domains are very risky. If you are planning to launch your business and trying to use these kind of domain extensions, you better avoid these domains at any cost. But if you are just a student and you want to try how online these things work, maybe you are trying to do a school project and you want to see how this thing work, so you can definitely go ahead and use these kind of domain extensions. But there is an actual way by which you can get a free domain, and that is using domain hosting providers, which actually provides a free domain for first year. So if you are planning to launch your business online and you're looking forward for some discounts and trying to save some money, there are various hosting providers which provide free domain for the first year, and they also give a huge discount if you go for more than 1 year of hosting plan. So these kind of plans and hosting companies are at least better than getting a .tk domain. So using these hosting companies, you can get a .com domain or maybe a country specific .in or .uk domain or any domain that you like, and they will provide you that for free of cost for the first year. And that is a great deal if you are just starting up your business. So if you want to check offers or discounts from these hosting companies that provide free domain for first year, then go ahead and check the links in the video description below. We will mention some of the reputed companies which you can use for booking your domain and your hosting for your online business. And definitely you can get a free domain there as well. So if you're really willing to get a free domain, then the only legit way is by booking your hosting from a company which provides a free domain for first year. But if you are launching your business website and you think that you can save some money by booking the domain like .tk, then you should definitely not try that and stay away from these domains, because your website can get suspended anytime. They are only good for playing around and learning, or maybe just a school project. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.